Hey there, folks. I'm Joe Crawford of artlung.com. Pretty much every day I go to this site, CSSBattle.dev, and I do the daily target and I record myself doing it. I really enjoy doing that, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay. And we have, what do we have? What do we have? We have some interesting shapes. And I think the defining thing is this guy. I'm going to do this with two paragraph elements. What are the two paragraph elements? I'm going to set some. Yeah. So the first thing is this shape back here. Okay. So thing number one is got a conic gradient background. And it's like at 40 pixels, 30 pixels or something like that. And it's this color, 75% around, and then it's transparent. Something along those lines. We need to push this down 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. And push it in 90, 92. How about 85, 86, 87? Okay, so that app value is too big. I think it needs to be what? 30, 20, 30, and then 20, 20. Okay. So that's what we have so far. It needs to be taller, right? 200. How about 180? Something like that. So we get the notch because that's part of the conic gradient. So now we give it put it in the upper corner with 0, 0, and then we give it a width, 100 pixels. 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And now we have this other part. So P plus P is our second one. So what's he got? He's got a border of 20 pixels solid, and then this color. And then he's got a background of this color. And then margin of 100. And then minus 100. So we'll push it up. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then it's got border radius up top. Border radius 1 inch, 1 inch, 0, 0. And I guess we need border widths that are a little different, don't we? We don't need that bottom border. So we need border width 10 pixels, 10 pixels, 0, 10 pixels, I think. Is that right? All right, so let's get these numbers right. The margins need to be a little bit more. 150. There, that's close. 152. So that's the idea. So I'm going to just make those margins 152, and then I'm going to put a negative margin on the first one, minus 200, 3, 4, and that moves that up, which is nice because I think that's doing what I want. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 1, 2. And then the height needs to be a little different. Height of the first is 180 and the second one is 200 or 210. There we go. And those are my two shapes, two paragraph tags, tortured into being the right shapes. I think that'll be a 100% match. Is it efficient? That's all right. Is there anything else I want to do there? If I do that, yeah, that's also valid because of the border widths. Are there changes I can make? I don't think so. Let's minify and replace. I think we're done. That's a good one. That's fun. That's a fun one. As usual, there are more tweaks can be done to create shapes like this. I think a border is the right way to go with that shape. And there's a lot of different ways to do the underlying is notched. So I guess it's what, a doorway or an arch or part of a bridge or however you want to look at it. It's just a shape. Okay, that's it. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Go make a web page, and I'll see you around. Bye.